Hello, animal lovers. Welcome to another adventure. Are you ready to learn something new? Discover the secrets of 30 exotic animals, separating fact from fiction, discovering their incredible adaptations and behaviors. This video is perfect for animal lovers or anyone curious about the natural world. Have you ever heard that chameleons change color to camouflage themselves? Or that snakes chase people? Here we will debunk some popular beliefs about exotic animals and discover the true nature of these incredible creatures. One, chameleons. Myth: chameleons can change color to blend in with any environment. Truth: chameleons' color changes are influenced by factors such as temperature, mood, and light. They have specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which contain pigments that expand or contract, changing the animal's color. Other interesting facts: chameleons' vision is three-dimensional and they can move each eye independently, allowing them to have a panoramic view of their environment. Two, snakes. Myth: all snakes are venomous and will chase humans. Truth: most snakes are not venomous and prefer to avoid contact with humans. They generally only attack when they feel threatened. Most snakes' diet consists of small animals, such as rodents and birds. Other interesting facts: snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Three, iguanas. Myth: iguanas are aggressive and dangerous animals. Truth: iguanas are herbivores and are generally docile when raised in captivity from hatchlings. However, they can bite if they feel threatened, especially during breeding season. Other interesting facts: iguanas have a third eye on the top of their head, called the parietal eye, which is sensitive to light and helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Forked turtles. Myth: all turtles live in the sea and can bite hard. Truth: there are land, aquatic and marine turtles. Turtles have a shell that serves as protection and protects them from predators. The strength of the bite varies according to the species. Other interesting facts: some species of turtles can live for more than 100 years. 5. Frogs. Myth: frogs cause warts and are disgusting animals. Truth: the belief that toads cause warts is a myth. Toads are beneficial animals for the ecosystem, as they feed on insects and other small animals. Other interesting facts: toads have a sticky, retractable tongue that they use to capture their prey. Six. Lizards. Myth: all lizards shed their skin at the same time. Truth: the frequency with which lizards shed their skin varies according to the species and the age of the animal. Shedding is a natural process that allows the skin to grow and renew itself. Other interesting facts: some lizards have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. 7. Cockatiels. Myth: cockatiels repeat everything they hear. Truth: cockatiels are intelligent birds and can learn to imitate sounds and words, but this requires training and patience. The ability to imitate varies from bird to bird. Other interesting facts: cockatiels are social animals and need interaction with other birds or with their humans.
唱cookie，唱。好，真棒！好嘞，不唱了啊，安静一下啊，真棒！
8. Owls. Myth: owls are blind during the day. Truth: owls can see during the day, but are more active at night. They have exceptional vision, especially in low light conditions. Other interesting facts: owls have a head rotation of almost 270 degrees, which allows them to have a wide view of their surroundings. 9. Parrots. Myth: all parrots are talkative and aggressive. Truth: the ability to speak varies from species to species and from bird to bird. Some species, such as African gray parrots, are known for their intelligence and ability to imitate human speech. Other interesting facts: parrots are social animals and need a lot of attention and interaction.
Cookie, 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 cookie. Put, 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 put. Cookie, 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 cookie.
Canaries. Myth: canaries need large and complex cages. Truth: canaries do not need very large cages, but they do need enough space to fly and exercise. Regularly cleaning the cage and providing toys and enriching activities are essential for the animal's well-being. Other interesting facts: canaries are excellent singers and can learn new melodies. 11. Hamsters. Myth: hamsters like to be handled frequently. Truth: hamsters are nocturnal animals and prefer to be alone during the day. Excessive handling can stress them out. Other interesting facts: hamsters have special cheek pouches to store food. Ferrets. Myth: ferrets are aggressive and dangerous animals. Truth: ferrets are curious and playful animals, but they can bite if they feel threatened. It is important to socialize them from an early age to avoid unwanted behavior. Other interesting facts: ferrets have limited vision and mainly use their sense of smell to explore their environment.
哎呀
13. Chinchillas. Myth: chinchillas do not need sand baths. Truth: sand baths are essential for chinchilla hygiene. Sand helps to remove excess oil from the fur and prevent skin problems. Other interesting facts: chinchillas are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during twilight, both at dawn and dusk. "14. Rabbits. Myth: rabbits are low-cost, easy-to-maintain animals. Truth: rabbits are intelligent, sensitive animals that require proper care, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and an enriched environment. Other interesting facts: rabbits have teeth that grow continuously and need to gnaw to wear them down. 15 mini pigs. Myth: mini pigs stop growing at a small size. Truth: mini pigs can grow quite large, especially if they are well fed. It is important to choose a suitable mini pig breed and provide a balanced diet and regular exercise. Other interesting facts: mini pigs are intelligent animals and can be trained to do some things, such as using a litter box. (16) Tarantulas. Myth: all tarantulas are venomous and aggressive. Truth: most tarantulas are not venomous to humans. They usually only sting when they feel threatened. Other interesting facts: tarantulas have 8 eyes, but their vision is limited. They mainly use the stinging hairs on their legs to defend themselves. 17. Scorpions. Myth: all scorpions are venomous and deadly. Truth: most scorpions are not fatal to humans. However, the sting of some species can be painful and cause symptoms such as swelling and nausea. Other interesting facts: scorpions are nocturnal animals and prefer warm, dry environments. Bees. Myth: bees aim to sting humans. Truth: bees only sting when they feel threatened. The sting is a form of defense. Other interesting facts: bees are essential for pollinating plants and producing honey. 19. Earthworms. Myth: earthworms are disgusting and dangerous. Truth: earthworms are beneficial to the soil, as they help to aerate it and enrich the soil with nutrients. Other interesting facts: earthworms do not have eyes, but they are sensitive to light. Snails. Myth: snails are dirty animals and transmit diseases. Truth: snails can be vectors of some diseases, but this is rare. Most species of snails are harmless to humans. Other interesting facts: snails are hermaphrodites, that is, they have male and female reproductive organs. (21) Betta fish. Myth: betta fish can live alone in small bowls. Truth: betta fish are social animals and need space to swim and explore. An aquarium with at least 5 gallons is recommended. Other interesting facts: male betta fish are territorial and may fight with other males. Komodo dragon. Myth: one of the most famous myths about the Komodo dragon is that it breathes fire, in addition to being immune to any type of venom. Truth: in fact, the high temperature of its mouth can help spread bacteria in its wounds, and it is not immune to any type of venom. Other interesting facts: the Komodo dragon can reach 3 meters in length and weigh more than 100 kilograms. It is a patient hunter, ambushing its prey and using its venomous bite to immobilize it. Its saliva contains bacteria that cause serious infections. 23. Starfish. Myth: starfish do not have a brain. Truth: starfish do not have a centralized brain, but they do have a diffuse nervous system that allows them to respond to external stimuli. Other interesting facts: some species of starfish can regenerate lost body parts. Sea anemones. Myth: sea anemones are plants. Truth: sea anemones are invertebrate animals that belong to the phylum Cnidaria. They have stinging tentacles that they use to capture prey. Other interesting facts: some species of sea anemones form a symbiotic relationship with clownfish. 25 Sugar gliders. Myth: sugar gliders are low-cost and easy to maintain animals. Truth: sugar gliders are exotic animals that require specific care, including a balanced diet, an enriched environment, and regular socialization. Other interesting facts: sugar gliders are nocturnal animals and have a membrane that allows them to glide between trees. "26 Hedgehogs. Myth: hedgehogs are ideal pets for children. Truth: hedgehogs are solitary animals that can be stressed by excessive handling. They are most active at night and need a quiet environment to rest during the day. Other interesting facts: hedgehogs have an incredible ability to curl up into a spiny ball to protect themselves from predators. 27. Axolotl. Myth: immortal fish. Many people mistake the axolotl for a fish due to its appearance. Truth: although it has an incredible ability to regenerate, the axolotl is not immortal and can die from diseases and other causes. It is not a fish but a salamander that spends its entire life in water. Other interesting facts: the axolotl has the ability to regenerate limbs and organs. It is threatened with extinction due to the destruction of its habitat, so its population is rapidly decreasing. Ostrich. Myth: the ostrich buries its head in the sand when it feels threatened. Truth: this is something from a cartoon, a popular legend, but it is nothing more than a myth. The ostrich uses a trick when it feels threatened, laying its body on the ground and stretching its neck, trying to camouflage itself with the vegetation. Other interesting facts: the ostrich is the largest bird in the world and one of the fastest, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. They have excellent vision, with large eyes located on the sides of their heads, which gives them a wide field of vision. They are social animals and live in groups, forming hierarchies and cooperating to protect the group.
Catch Ben! Catch Ben! Oh. Fuck. Ben is coming for you!
29. II. Myth. Cursed animal. In some cultures, the II is considered a cursed animal that brings bad luck. Vampire. Due to its large eyes and nocturnal habits, some people believe that the II feeds on blood. Truth. The II is a lemur with a middle finger so long that it looks like it's from another planet. It is a rare and strange animal, with nocturnal habits, and that lives only on the island of Madagascar, but it is not dangerous to humans. Other interesting facts: its peculiar and frightening appearance has led to the nickname demon lemur. Its extremely long and thin middle finger is used to extract insects from inside trees. It has large eyes to see in the dark. Endangered. Due to the destruction of its habitat and hunting, the II is threatened with extinction. Bats. Myth. All bats are vampires, blind and attack people. Truth. Only about 3% of bat species are hematophagous, that is, they feed on blood. Most feed on fruits, nectar, insects, and small animals. Another common myth is that bats are blind. Most bats see very well because they use echolocation, a biological sonar system, to orient themselves in the dark and locate their prey. In fact, they can detect very small objects, even in complete darkness. Bats generally avoid contact with humans. Attacks are rare and most often occur when a bat is sick or injured. It is important to remember that rabies, a disease transmitted by bats, is rare in humans. Always remember, before acquiring any exotic animal, it is important to research the specific needs of the species and make sure you are prepared to provide appropriate care. Also, check local laws and regulations regarding the ownership of exotic animals. Did you like this video? Leave a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you wish, comment and share, your opinion is very important to us. Thanks for coming here with us. Thank you very much and see you soon.